Healthy boneless fried fish. First, take boneless fish and wash and cut into small pieces. Then add ginger garlic paste. Then add chili powder, turmeric powder, and salt. And then basin. Mix all the spices with the fish well. Then keep in the fridge for marination for a few hours. Using a non-stick pan and minimal oil, fry your fish. Make sure to flip both sides so it cooks properly and on medium flame. Make it presentable, add lettuce and chopped onions and add the fish on top. Then decorate to your own preference. With that, the healthy boneless fried fish is done.